I am Rizka Fitia Rahmat from the Information System Study Program at Nusa Putra University. On this occasion, I will present a paper with the title Metaverse Can Impact the World and the Future of Technology. The making of this paper and presentation is intended to fulfill the segment of the Business English final exam. Fine, I'll start the discussion. The paper I made is titled Metaverse Can Impact the World and the Future of Technology. As for the abstract section, this section describes a brief overview of the problem under study, which includes the reason for the selection of topics, research method, and include a summary of results that have been carried out. Here I entered two keywords, namely metaverse and technology. I was interested in analyze the topic because I saw the development of the world and technology with the metaverse. Introduction. In the introduction part, I explain starting from the background of why the metaverse was present and began to be popular. Furthermore, general information about the metaverse, the beginning of the metaverse, and other related to the topic is presented. Literature studies. This section describes the study of previous literature, metaverse review, and technology. Previous study. This section discussed the previous research conducted by Muhammad Damar entitled Metaverse Shape of Your Life for Future. Based on this research, it was concluded the arrival of the metaverse in the world seems very clear. This world can store the benefits and harm as expected. Metaverse Review. This section explains what the metaverse and how it works. Technology. This section explains things related to the metaverse, namely technology, which play an important role in the course of the metaverse. Method. In this study, I used the literature study method, where according to Farisi, literature studies are research that critically examine knowledge, ideas, or finding in academically oriented literature or formulate theoretical and methodological contribution to certain topics. The theoretical basis of research is often to various library information such as books, articles, document, and scientific journal, as well as reliable source relevant to the research topic. Result and discussion. Percentage of public interest in the metaverse. Based on the result of a previous study entitled Social Media Habits and Internet Safety on 1,023 respondents, it was found that 29% of respondents were familiar with the concept of the metaverse, 48% of respondents have asked questions, and 23% of respondents are not familiar with the concept of the metaverse. Impact of the metaverse. Today, the metaverse is widely used in various sectors such as education, company, and even government. And the majority of companies in Indonesia believe that metaverse will have a positive impact of the world. That means metaverse business and environments are increasingly enhanced with artificial intelligence. The presence of the metaverse cannot only save the interaction of people in the virtual world but also redefine what is inside. Conclusion. In the conclusion section, it is explained that the presence of metaverse technology will create a three-dimensional world that uses real-world metaverse with human as programmable avatars, interaction with each other, and software agent. In addition, the metaverse also have a positive and negative impact. The presence of the metaverse is currently highly anticipated, which will facilitate many aspects. Well, that's enough of the presentation of the paper that I have made. Apologize if there is a wording error. Thank you for your attention.